Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, we will talk about monthly prediction of August 2024 from 14th August till 14th of September 2024. For all the Aries people, Sun controls your 5th house and Sun is right now moving in the sign of Cancer. And Sun will be moving into your 5th house after around 15th to 16th of August. And Sun will be staying in your 5th house till 16th to 15th of September in your 5th house in its own house. So 5th house deals with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, and your education related matter is also seen from 5th house. So when your 5th house lord will be transiting from your 5th house, it means your 5th house will be in a strong position at that time. So if you are a creative person, like you are a sports person, your work is somehow connected to children's, or you are in education life, then we can expect you will get good result regarding your 5th house related matter. Also, your mental abilities will be enhanced during this time period due to presence of your 5th house lord in your 5th house. 5th house also deal with your love relationship. So if you have any sincere love relationship, this period will be proved very beneficial for all that matters in your life. Mercury controls your 3rd house and your 6th house. And right now Mercury is retrograde motion, as we discussed previously in last one prediction video. Mercury will still in retrograde motion till 29th of August. After 29th of August, Mercury will come back to its direct motion. And Mercury will come back to its direct motion in the sign of Cancer, means in your 4th house and controlling your 3rd house. So there are chances you may face some type of struggle related to your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, like your 3rd house related matter. You may have to put a lot of efforts regarding your actions, regarding your work related matter. Also, you need to take care of your communication related matter due to presence of Mercury in its retrograde motion till 29th of August. Also, Mercury controls your 6th house. 6th house deal with conflicts, argument, etc., etc. That's why you need to take care till 29th of August. After 29th of August, when Mercury will come back to its direct motion, then you may feel some type of relief regarding your 3rd house, means your efforts related matter, regarding your communication related matter, regarding your get-together related matter. Also, you will face some type of relief regarding your conflict, court case related matter, etc., etc. Venus controls your 2nd house and your 7th house, and right now Venus is also moving in the sign of Leo in your 5th house. Venus will stay in your 5th house till 24th or 5th house till 24th to 25th of August, and after 25th to 5th of August, Venus will move from your 5th house to 6th house in the sign of Virgo. 2nd house controls your speech, your family matter, your food intake habit, etc., etc. 7th house deal with your relationship, your marriage, your commitments, your legal binding, etc., etc. So Venus will be present in your 5th house till 25th of August, and Sun will also be present in your 5th house, as we discussed previously. So you will get great result regarding your love relationship, regarding your relationships in general. If you're married, then you can expect you will spend quality time with your spouse. And if you have children, then we can expect you will have good result regarding your children's related matter and their life related matter during this time period. Just you need to take care of your communication related matter due to presence of Mercury in its retrograde motion till 29th of August. 2nd house is right now occupied by Jupiter, and 2nd house lord will be transiting from your 5th house. If your work is somehow connected to creativity, like acting, cinema, etc., etc., you are a sports person, you are having some fun involvement in your work, then we can expect you will have great result during this time period due to presence of Venus in your 5th house. After 25th of August, when Venus will move from your 5th house to 6th house, then you may face some type of difficulties regarding your communication and family related matter. Also, you need to take care of your relationship and spouse and business partnership related matter due to presence of Venus in your 6th house in the house of conflicts. Mars is your ascendant lord. Mars is very important planet for you people, and also controls your 8th house. and Mars is right now moving in your second house, and Mars will stay in your second house till 27th or and Mars will stay in your second house till 27th of August. After 27th of August, Mars will move from your second house to third house in the sign of Gemini. First house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life. First house is the fundamental main house, the important house in your birth chart. First house set the map of your chart. Overall aspects of life is seen from your first house. So Mars is very important planet for you people. So first house Lord will be transiting from your second house. There will be a good result regarding your money related matter previously during last month, and you will still having a good result regarding your savings money related matter as well due to places of Jupiter and Mars in your second house. Also, your eighth house lord is present in your second house and aspecting from your second house to its own house. Your eighth house is right now in a strong position. So, if you are into some research studies, some science studies, deep research studies, then we can expect great result for you people. Also, you are married, then we can expect there will be a good relationship with your in-laws during this time period. And if your work is somehow connected to secrecy, then we can expect good result for you people as well. After 27th of August, when Mars, your first house ascendant lord, will be moving from your second house to third house, then you will put a lot of effort into your work related matter. You will be very passionate during this time period regarding your work related matter, whatever you are doing, because third house deal with efforts and first house is you. Ascendant is representing you, and so your ascendant lord will be transiting from your third house after 27th of August. Eighth house lord is also transiting from your third house. Eighth house is a naturally malefic house, and third house considered as mild malefic, because from third house we see your efforts. You need to put efforts in the things third house is occupied by. So when your eighth house lord will be transiting from your third house, you may have to face some type of communication related difficulties with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, etc., etc. There will be a chance you may have to face some type of uh, conflicts with your third house related matter, and regarding your work at your efforts related matter. There will be chances some co-worker may try to create some type of conspiracy against you, so you need to be take care of these matters. So we can expect these results for all the Aries ascendant people from 14th of August till 14th of September. Now let's talk about Taurus ascendant. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Sun controls your fourth house, and Sun is right now moving in your third house in the sign of Cancer. Sun is about to move from your third house to fourth house between 16th to 15th of August, and will stay into your fourth house in its own sign, the sign of Leo, till 16th to 15th of September. So your fourth house will be your home, your properties, your vehicles, comfort in your life. So when your fourth house lord will be in your fourth house, we can expect you will have great results regarding your properties, vehicles, comfort, matter. There will be also chances you may renovate your home, or you will invest into some new properties during this time period, or buy some new vehicles, or maybe some things related to something for your home, something for your home related item during this time period as well, because your fourth house lord will be in a strong position. Also, if you are some politician, then we can expect you will have great result regarding your uh, local politics related matter during this time period, because your fourth house is right now in a strong position. Mercury, which controls your second house and your fifth house, is right now moving in its retrograde motion and will stay retrograde till 29th of August. And after 29th of August, Mercury will come back to its direct motion. So, Mercury will come back to its direct motion into your third house in the sign of Cancer, and will come back to your fourth house after 5th of September. Means major time period Mercury will be in its retrograde motion during this time period, means till 29th of August. And as we discussed previously in last month prediction video, whenever any planet runs into retrograde motion, effect will be double, either it was previously giving good result or bad result. So your second house and fifth house lord will be transiting in its retrograde motion most of the time, till especially till 29th of August. So till 29th of August, you need to take care of your money related matter and your children's love relationship, etc., etc. You may also feel lacking into your education related matter if you're in early education due to presence of Ketu in your fifth house. But after 29th of August, you may face some type of relief when Mercury will come back to its direct motion and come to your fourth house, where Sun will be also present in its own house, in your fourth house. Then things will be better for you regarding your money related matter, regarding your food intake habits related matter, and your fifth house related matter. Venus, which is your ascendant lord, means Venus is very important planet for you people because Venus controls your first house. Venus is your ascendant lord and also controls your sixth house. Venus is right now also moving into your fourth house, and Venus will stay in your fourth house around 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will move into your fifth house, where Ketu is already moving in the sign of Virgo. So your ascendant lord is right now moving in your fifth house. So your ascendant lord is right now moving into your fourth house, and Jupiter is also moving into your first house. So you still face good result regarding your first house, means your journal has related matter regarding your property, vehicles, comfort related matter, because fourth house will be such thing, and Venus, your ascendant lord, is moving in strong position into your fourth house, and Sun will also, which is your fourth house lord, will also join Venus into your fourth house around 15 to 16, around 15 to 16th of August. So your fourth house will be in a strong position. 5th of August, when after 25th of August, when your first house lord will transiting from your fourth house to fifth house, then you need to be take care of your fifth house related matter, like your children's, like your love relationship, like your mental abilities, and your education related matter. Because Ketu is already moving into your fifth house, so there are chances you may face some type of lagging, but you don't need to worry a lot due to presence of aspect of Jupiter onto your fifth house, and your ascendant lord will be also moving to your fifth house after 25th of August. Mars, which controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and Mars is also transiting from your first house in your Mars is also transiting from your first house, means into your ascendant, and Mars will also move from your first house to your second house around 27th of August, and will stay into your second house till the 14th of September. 12th house will be your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement, etc., etc. Your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. 7th house will be your relationships, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. Your spouse is also seen from second house. So till 27th of August, till Mars is moving into your first house weakness, where you will have great result regarding your relationships in journal, or your business partnership related matter, or your get togethers related matter. Also, if you're a public figure, then Mars will also give you some type of good fame during this time period, because your 10th house is also in a strong position, and your 7th house, which is 10 places away from its 10th house, is which is 10 places away from 10th house, is also moving into your first house. Means if you're a public figure, like your celebrity, politician, etc., etc., then you will get great fame during this time period, especially after 14th of especially after 16th especially after 16th of August, when Sun will move from your third house to your fourth house. After 27th of August, when Mars, your 12th house lord, will be transiting from your second house, then there are chances you may have to expand. There are chances your expand. Then there are chances your expenses will be increased during this time period due to presence of your 12th house of expenses and losses. Lord will be moving in the house of savings, in the bank account, in the wallet house. Means your money matter is seen from second house and 11th house. Basically, second house is responsible for your savings, your money matter. So your seventh house will be also transiting from your second house. So you will have great result regarding your relationship related matter as well during this time period. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus and people from 14th of August till 14th of September. Now let's talk about Gemini ascendant. For all the Gemini ascendant, the Sun controls your third house, and Sun is right now moving into your second house in the sign of Cancer. Sun is about to move from your second house to third house around 15th to 16th of August, and will stay into your third house in its own house till 16th to 15th of September. Third house will be your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your hardworking ability seen from third house, your communication skills, communication ability, your hand skill, etc., etc. So your third house will be in a strong position due to presence of your third house or into your third house during this time period. So your third house will be in a strong position. There will be a good result regarding your efforts related matter. Whatever you are doing, you will be very passionate regarding your work related matter, regarding your hand skills, regarding your all the matters regarding your childhood friends, cousins, neighbors related matter due to presence of your third house in a good position. There will be also some new ideas will be there for you, like your business. If you are an entrepreneur, like your business person, then we can say you will have good result regarding your business related matter as well. Mercury, which is your ascendant lord and controls your fourth house, means Mercury is very important type for you people. Is right now moving in its retrograde motion and transiting from your third house and will stay retrograde till 29th of August and will come back to its direct motion into your second house in the sign of Cancer on 29th of August. So, major time period till 29th of August, Mercury will be in its retrograde motion into your third and second house and come back to its direct motion on 29th of August. So till Mercury is moving to great motion, you need to be take care of your communication related matter. You need to avoid conflicts. You need to avoid some communication related matter disturbance due to presence of Mercury, which generally controls communication, which is your ascendant lord. And transiting from the house of communication to your third house will be in a great motion. After 29th of September, after 29th of August, when Mercury will come back to its direct motion, then we can expect great result regarding a money related matter as well till 5th of August. And after 5th of August, money related matter till 5th of September. And after 5th of September, when your ascendant lord will be transiting from your second house to third house, then we can expect great result regarding your efforts related matter due to presence of your third house lord sun in its own sign, and your ascendant lord will also be transiting from your third house during that time period. Your fourth house is occupied by Ketu. There are chances you may face some type of disturbance regarding your fourth house related matter, but due to presence of your third house lord with sun ascendant lord, which is also good to your fourth house and your third house, and third house will be in a strong position, then we can expect good result after 29th of August for you people. Venus controls your 12th house and your 5th house. Venus is also right now moving into your third house in the sign of Leo, and Venus will stay into your third house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will move from your third house to your fourth house. So, your 12th house Lord is moving into your third house, and 12th house occupied by Jupiter. That's why we were saying in Sun section, you will be very passionate regarding your work related matter. You may get good result due to presence of Jupiter into your 12th house, and you may get some travel related opportunities during this time period due to presence of Jupiter into your 12th house, and 12th house Lord Venus is moving to your third house and expecting 9th house, which is a long distance travel house. Your 5th house Lord is also transiting from the third house. You may get good result regarding your gains. You may get good result regarding your children, regarding your love relationship and your education related matter as well. After 25th of August, when Venus will transit from your third house to your fourth house, where Ketu is already moving into your fourth house in the sign of Virgo, then you need to be take care of your expenses related matter, and there will be a also there will be a possibility to, and you will also get the opportunity to travel somewhere abroad during this time period presence of your 12th house lord with Ketu into your fourth house. Ketu try to separate you from where you are living right now, like from your birthplace. And seventh house lord will be also transiting from your fourth house, so you will need to be take care of your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, and your fun activities related matter. After 25th of August, when Venus will move from your third house to your fourth house. Mars, which is your 11th house lord and controls your sixth house, is transiting right now from your 12th house, and Mars will stay in your 12th house till 27th of August. After 27th of August, Mars will move from your 12th house to your first house in the sign of Gemini, means into your ascendant. 11th house will be your gains, your friend circle, your professional circle, your support system, your wishes, fulfillment of some wishes, etc. etc. Sixth house will be your conflicts, your arguments, your fights, your loans, your debt, etc. etc. So right now Mars is moving to your 12th house. So till 27th of August, you will get good result regarding conflict related matter, because from 12th house Mars is affecting your sixth house. Means your sixth house right now into a strong position. Mars will also give you strength to withstand all the difficulties into your life. And 11th house lord is moving to your 12th house. There will be a good result regarding your gains related matter from foreign land. And if you are in foreign land, you will have great influx of luck during this time period into foreign land. You will have great gains regarding money related matter. Your hopes and wishes will be fulfilled. After 27th of August, when your 11th house will be transiting from your first house, then you can say you will have good result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your hopes and wishes and fulfillment and wishes related matter. Your support system will be very enhanced during this time period. You will have a lot of supporting members around you during this time period, especially after 27th of August, and Mars, your 11th house, will transiting from your first house. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini and people from 14th of August till 14th of September. Now let's talk about Cancer ascendant. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and Sun is right now moving into your first house, into your ascendant. Sun is about to move from your first house to second house around 15th to 16th of August, and will stay into your second house in its own house till 16th to 15th of September. So your second house will be in a strong position around the 14th August till 15th of September. So you can expect great gains of money. You will able to save a lot of money during this time period. Your family matters. Your food intake habits will be good during this time period. You will focus on your family matters during this time period a lot, because second house also deal with your family related matters. Mercury, which controls your 12th house and also controls your third house, is right now moving into your second house in the sign of Leo. Mercury is right now moving in its retrograde motion, and as we discussed previously in last one prediction video, Mercury will be still into its retrograde motion till 29th of August. After 29th of August, Mercury will come back to its direct motion into your first house, and will move from your first house to again into your second house on 5th of September. So major time period till 29th of August, Mercury will be in a great motion, and 12th house controlling your 12th house and third house. 12th house deal with expenses, losses, and third house deal with efforts, communication, your hand skills. Also, Ketu is present into your first house after 30th October 2023. So your third house and 12th house lord will be in its retrograde motion till you need to be take care of your communication, your efforts related matter when you're dealing with your cousins, neighbors, and family members, especially your close ones. Uh, after 29th, after 29th of after 29th of August, when Mercury will come back to its direct motion and move to your second house, then we can expect you will have good result and some relief regarding your expenses, losses, and your efforts related difficulties which you are facing when Mercury will be in its retrograde motion till 29th of August. Venus controls your 11th house and also controls your 4th house. And right now, Venus is also moving into your second house in the sign of Leo. Venus will stay in your second house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will also move from your second house to third house in the sign of Virgo, where Ketu is already moving. So 11th house deals with your gains, your hopes and wishes, your friend circle, professional circle, your support system is seen from 11th house. Fourth house will be your comfort, your home, your properties, your vehicles, your homeland is seen from fourth house. Your emotions, your happiness is also seen from fourth house. So your 11th house and fourth house lord is transiting from your second house. We can expect great gains in the form of properties, vehicles. If you're about to buy some property and you're into some property business, or because your 11th house lord is transiting from your second house in the house of gains, in the house of saving, in the house of bank account, and will be in a good position because Jupiter is also present in your 11th house. After 25th of August, when Venus will move from your second house to your third house, then we can expect more good result regarding your gains related matter due to aspects of Jupiter from your 11th house to your Venus, your 11th house lord, into your third house. But still, you need to be take care of your communication related matter till 29th of August, till Mercury will be in its retrograde motion. Uh, Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house, is also transiting from your 11th house. And Mars will stay into your 11th house till 27th of August. After 27th of August, Mars will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Gemini. 10th house will be your work environment, your fame, your authority, etc. etc. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance matter, your early education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, etc. etc. Your love relationship, sincere love relationship is also seen from fifth house. So, so when your tenth house, so when your 10th house and fifth house lord will be transiting from your 11th house right now, we can say your fifth house is being in a strong position till 27th of August, till Mars is present into your 11th house. Because Jupiter and Mars, both the planets are aspecting your fifth house from 11th house, from the house of gains. After 27th of August, when Mars will move from your 11th house to 12th house, then you need to be take care of your work related matter. If you don't have any connection to foreign land regarding your work related matter, due to presence of your 12th house lord in the house of expenses and losses. And let's not forget, 12th house is also considered as a naturally malefic house. So in this case scenario, you may face some type of difficulties regarding your love relationship, regarding your children's related matter, and your work related matter after 27th of August. So we can expect these results for all the Cancer ascendant people till 14th of August till 14th of September 2024. Now let's talk about Leo ascendant. For all the Leo ascendant people, Sun controls your first house, and Sun is right now transiting from your 12th house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will stay into your 12th house. Sun is about to move from your 12th house to your first house, means into your ascendant, into its own sign around 15th to 16th of August, and will stay into your first house till 15th to 16th of September. So your ascendant is right so your ascendant will be in a strong position during this time period. First house is very important house in your birth chart. First house set the map of your chart. First house represents overall aspects of your life. So during this time period, you will be more focused. So we can expect during this time period, you will be more focused regarding your personality, regarding your health, regarding your physique, and your overall matters of your life. And all things will be good during this time period, and your personality will be illuminated, enhanced due to presence of your sun into your first house, and also controls your first house. Mercury is also transiting from your first house, and Mercury is right now in a retrograde motion, as discussed previously in last one prediction videos. And Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house. and Mercury will stay into its retrograde motion till 29th of August. After 29th of August, Mercury will move from from its retrograde motion to its direct motion and will come back to your first house in the sign of Leo on 5th of September from your 12th house. So till 29th of September, so till 29th of August, Mercury will be in a retrograde motion, means your house of gains lord and house of savings lord will be in a retrograde motion. So you need to be take care of your expenses and losses, and you may face some type of difficulties regarding your gains and savings related matter. After 29th of August, when Mercury will come back to its direct motion, and after, especially after 5th of September, when Mercury will come back to your first house, into your ascendant, where Sun will be also present into your first house, then we can say you will have some great gains. You will have some type of relief regarding your expenses and losses, and you will be able to save money during this time period. Venus, which controls your 10th house and your third house, also transiting from your first house in the sign of Leo, means Venus is right now moving to your first house and will stay into your first house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will also move from your first house to your second house in the sign of Virgo. 10th house deal with your work environment, your authority, your fame, your superior, your bosses, your work environment, etc., etc. Third house deal with your communication, your efforts, your ideas, your skills, hand skills is seen from third house, your gossiping, your ability to do effort, your hardworking ability is also seen from third house. So when your 10th house and third house lord is transiting from your first house, we can expect you will have great result regarding your work related matter, especially when after 16th of August, when Sun will also transiting from your first house. If you are a public figure, some celebrity, some actor, politician, etc., etc., then we can expect you will have good fame during this time period. You passionately take interest during this time period regarding your work related matter, and you will have a good success during this time period due to presence of Jupiter into your 10th house, and your 10th house lord is targeting from your first house. But after 25th of August, when Venus will move from your first house to second house, then we can say you will also be able to save a lot of money. You will have a lot of gains, regardless of Ketu is present into your second house during this time period. But Jupiter also aspecting your second house Ketu, and will be also aspecting Venus into your second house along with Ketu. That's why we can expect you will have a lot of gains after 25th of August, when Venus will move from your first house to your second house. Mars controls your 9th house and your 4th house, and right now Mars is also transiting from your 10th house, and Mars will stay into your 10th house till 27th of August. After 27th of August, Mars will move from your 10th house to 11th house in the sign of Gemini. 9th house deal with your ninth house deal with your teachers, mentor, your higher education, means your post-grad education is seen from 9th house, long distance travel, your religious matter, religious inclination seen from 9th house, your uh, how fortunate you are, your luck seen from 9th house. Fourth house will be your home, your properties, your vehicles, comfort, homeland, etc., etc. So your 9th house and 4th house lord is transiting from your 10th house till 27th of August. Till 27th of August, we can expect great result regarding your home, properties, vehicles, comfort related matter. Due to presence of your 4th house lord into your 10th house, and from 10th house, Jupiter and Mars, both the planets are expecting to your 4th house, means your 4th house right now in a strong position. Your emotions will be stable during this time period, and we can expect some happiness during this time period regarding your overall being related matter, because from 4th house we also see your emotions. 9th house lord is transiting from your 10th house till 27th of August. Mars and 9th house, as we discussed previously, is represented by fortune, and 9th house lord presented to your 10th house is create a very good scenario for your work related matter and your success related matter. After 27th of August, when Mars will move from your 10th house to your 11th house, then there will be a lot of gains, a lot of good result regarding your work related matter. You will be able to achieve some success at your workplace, like some increment, some promotion, because Jupiter is present into 10th house and Mars will be moving second place away from Jupiter into your 11th house. So we can expect these results for all the Leo ascendant people from 14th August till 14th of September 2024. Now let's talk about Virgo ascendant. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house, and right now Sun is transiting from your 11th house. Sun is about to move from your 11th house to your 12th house around 15th to 16th of August and will stay into your 12th house till 15th to 16th of September. 12th house deal with your expenses, losses, isolation, your spirituality, your long-term investment, your donations, your privacy, your bedroom is also seen from 12th house. Your imagination, dreams, space is also seen from 12th house. So your 12th house right now will be in a strong position during this time period. So if you are into some spirituality related matter, then we can expect you will have great result during this time period. You are some scientist, you are studying related to this space, you are astronaut and some astronaut, and you are interested to some astronomical knowledge, then we can also expect great result during this time period. If you are into foreign lands, if you are away from your birthland, some different country, then we can also expect some good result for your overall aspects of life from gains into foreign land and good result regarding foreign settlement related matter. Mercury controls your first house and your 10th house. And right now, Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion, and Mercury will stay in its retrograde motion till 29th of August. After 29th of August, Mercury will turn into its direct motion into your 11th house and come back to your 12th house in the sign of Leo on 5th of September. So till 29th of August, your ascendant lord and 10th house lord will be in retrograde motion, and both the houses are very important house. So till 29th of August, you need to be take care of your work and your health related matter. You may face some type of difficulty, some type of confusion in your life regarding your work related matter and your journal health related matter and your overall aspects of life, because Ketu is transiting from your ascendant right now. After 29th of August, when Mercury will come back to its direct motion, and especially after 5th of September, when come back to your 12th house, where Sun will be also present that time, then we can expect you will have some relief regarding your difficulties, regarding your general health related matter and your work related matter due to presence of your Mercury will be in its direct motion. Venus controls your ninth house and your second house, and Venus is also transiting from your 12th house into the sign of Leo. Venus will stay into your 12th house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will move from your 12th house to your first house into your ascendant in the sign of Virgo. Second house will be your savings, your money matters, your family, your speech, food intake habit, etc. etc. Ninth house is a very important house in your birth chart. Ninth house deal with your higher education, means your postgraduate education, your travel, your religious matter, your religious pilgrimages is seen from ninth house, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, lawyer, second marriage, etc. etc. So when your second house and ninth house lord is transiting from your 12th house, we can expect if you have some connection from foreign land, as we discussed previously in sun section, and you are right now in a foreign land, then we can expect great result for your gains related matter and overall aspects of life related matter. After 25th of August, when Venus will move from your first house to your from your 12th house to your first house, where Ketu is already present in your first house, but you still face some relief due to aspects of Jupiter from your ninth house to first house, Ketu and Venus, which is your ninth house lord. That's why we can expect some good result after 25th of August, when Venus will move from your 12th house to your first house regarding your Second house means your money related matter, regarding your savings related matter, and your ninth house related matter. Mars, which controls your eighth house and your third house, is also transiting from your ninth house along with Jupiter. Mars will stay into your ninth house till 27th of August. After 27th of August, Mars will move from your ninth house to your 10th house. So till 27th of August, till Mars is transiting from your ninth house, Mars is also aspecting its own house, means your third house, along with Jupiter. So there will be a lot of passion in you regarding your efforts related matter, whatever you are doing, like your work, your job, your business, due to aspects of Jupiter and Mars into your third house. Your communication will be good during this time period. You will have a lot of support from your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. Your eighth house lord is also transiting from your ninth house. So when eighth house lord, like you are into some hidden studies, like secretive studies, hidden sciences, you are researching something, then we can expect great result, because ninth house will be your higher education and eighth house will be secrecy. And your eighth house lord travel, and when your eighth house and third house lord is traveled from your ninth house to 10th house after 27th of August, when after 27th of August, then we can expect you need to be take care of your work related matter due to presence of your eighth house lord into your 10th house. There are chances some co-worker, some jealous co-worker may create some type of conspiracy, some type of difficulty for you at your work due to presence of your eighth house lord into your 10th house. Third house lord will be also present in your third house. Your third house lord will be also present into your 10th house after 27th of August. But that, so you will also have the courage to deal with your difficulties due to presence of your third house lord in your 10th house. Due to presence of your third house into your 10th house and eighth house, your presence of your third house lord into your 10th house, and third house will with courage, your effort, your hardworking ability, etc., etc. So we can expect these results for all the Virgos and from 14th of August till 14th of September 2024. Now let's talk about Libra Ascendant. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now Sun is moving into your 10th house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will stay into your 10th house till 14th or 15th. Till Sun will stay into your Sun is about to move from your 10th house to your 11th house, means in its own sign, in its own house after 15th to 16th of August. And Sun will stay into your 11th house till 15th to 16th of September 2024. So 11th house controls your gains, your friend circle, your professional circle is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of your hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your gains, how much gain you can accumulate in life is also seen from 11th house. So your 11th house will be in a strong position from 14th of August till 14th of September. So we can expect you will have a lot of gains. You will able to gains a lot of money, whatever you are working during this time period. Your hopes and wishes may fulfill during this time period. You will have the support of your friend circle and professional circle during this time period till your 11th house will be in a strong position. Mercury, which is your 12th house lord and your 9th house lord, is also transiting from your 11th house in the sign of Leo. Right now, Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion, as we discussed previously in last one prediction video. Mercury will stay in its retrograde motion till 29th of August. After 29th of August, Mercury will be come back to its direct motion in the sign of Cancer in your 10th house, and will again move to your 11th house on 5th of September. So till 29th of September, your 12th house lord and 9th house lord will be in its retrograde motion. Here is very important thing about Mercury is that whenever Mercury being in a retrograde motion, being your 12th house lord, it creates trouble regarding your uh, friend circle and professional circle, because major time period because major retrogression period of Mercury will be in your 11th house. So you also need to be take care of your bad friend circle. There are chances you may have to face some type of argument, difficulties, and betrayal from your friend circle as well due to Mercury being moving in its retrograde motion, especially till 29th of August. After 29th of August, we can expect a good result regarding your 11th house related matter as we discussed previously in sun section. Venus controls your first house, means Venus is your ascendant lord and also controls your 8th house. And right now, Venus is also moving into your 11th house. Venus will stay into your 11th house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will also move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Virgo, where Ketu is already moving. Eighth house deal with your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. The major transformation, certain positive events, certain negative events also seen from 8th house. First house is very important house in your birth chart, as you know. First house set the map of your chart. First house deal the overall aspects of your life, your journal health, journal physique, your fame, your overall chart. Basically, a major chunk of your chart is depend upon your ascendant. So your ascendant lord and 8th house lord is also transiting from your 11th house. We can expect sudden unexpected gains during this time period till 25th of August till Venus is moving to your 11th house, because Venus also controls your first house and unexpected gains 8th house and moving in the house of gains. Also, Sun will be present in its own sign, means into your 11th house after 16th of August. So that's how we can expect you will have a lot of unexpected gains. There are chances you will spend some quality time with your spouse's family if you are married right now. You will have a lot of support from them as well. And some positive, unexpected event we can also expect during this time period. Mars, which is your first Mars, which is your seventh house lord and your second house lord, is right now moving into your eighth house, where Jupiter is already moving in the sign of Taurus. Mars will stay into your eighth house till 27th of August. After 27th of August, Mars will move from your eighth house to your ninth house in the sign of Gemini. Seventh house deal with your relationships, your marriage, your legal bindings, your agreement, thing, your business partnership, how you will meet others, how others perceive you. All of these things seen from seventh house. Your fame is also seen from somehow seventh house. Second house will be your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your family history, family lineage, early upbringing, your speech, your mouth, your food intake habits, also seen from second house. So when your second house and seventh house lord is transiting from your eighth house, where Jupiter is already present. So till 27th of August, Mars is also expecting its own house, your second house, and your 11th house also being in a strong position till 16th of September. That's why we can expect you will have a lot of opportunities to save a lot of money during this time period. Your family matters will be going good. You will have a good result regarding your savings related matter as well. After 27th of August, when Mars will move from your 8th house to your ninth house, then we can also expect, if you're married, then we can expect you will spend some quality time with your spouse till 16th of August. Also, you will have good opportunities regarding travel related matter if you want to travel somewhere, because Jupiter is moving into your 8th house, and second place away from Jupiter is your ninth house. So Mars will be moving to your ninth house, and ninth house also deal with your long distance travel, pilgrimages, religious, higher education. This will also support you into your higher education after Mars will move from your eighth house to your ninth house. So we can expect these results for all the Libras and people from 14th of August till 14th of September. Now let's talk about Scorpio ascendant. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and Sun is right now moving to your ninth house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will stay into your ninth house till 14th. Sun will stay into your ninth house till 15th to 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your ninth house to your 10th house. and will stay in its own sign into your 10th house till 16th of September. 10th house deal with your work environment, your fame, your authority, your bosses, your superior, your co-workers, work environment, how good you are in your work, how good you are in your work, how much authority you will have, how much fame you will have in your life is obviously from 10th house. So during this time period, your 10th house will be in a strong position. So whatever you are working with, like you will have great result regarding your work matter. You may have many opportunities at your workplace during this time period. You may also have some increment and promotion at your workplace because your fourth house lord, because your fourth house is also in a strong position. Saturn is transiting from your fourth house, being in its retrograde motion. Mercury controls your 8th house and your 11th house, and right now Mercury is also transiting from your 10th house in the sign of Leo. And as we discussed previously in last one prediction video, Mercury is right now moving in its retrograde motion, and Mercury will stay retrograde till 29th of August. So till 29th of August, you need to be take care of your sudden unexpected events. You may have to face some type of difficulty at your work with whatever you are doing, whatever you are working on, whatever level. You may have to face some type of conspiracy difficulty due to your friend circle and professional circle. After 29th of August, when Mercury will come back to its direct motion, then we can expect you will have some relief, but still you need to take care of your communication related matter at your workplace, especially being around your friend circle and professional circle. Venus, which is your 12th house lord and also controls your 7th house, right now transiting from your 10th house. And Venus will stay into your 10th house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will also transit from your 10th house to 11th house, where Ketu is already moving in the sign of Virgo. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolations, your foreign settlement, your long-term investment, etc., etc. Your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. Seventh house deal with your relationships, your marriage, your business partnership, your agreemented things, your commitments, legal bindings, etc., etc. is seen from 7th house. So your 7th house and 11th house. So your 7th house and 12th house lord is transiting from your 10th house and will be present in your 10th house till 25th of August. So till 25th of August, we can expect good result as we discussed previously in some section at your workplace regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter. If you are some public figure like your politician, actor, etc., etc., then we can expect you will have very good fame during this time period. You will perform very well at your work, whatever you are doing. Just you need to be take care regarding your friend circle and professional circle till 29th of August, till Mercury will be in its retrograde motion. After 25th of August, when Venus will transit from your 10th house to 11th house, then you may face some type of relief regarding your disturbance of your 11th house, like your friend circle, professional circle, your support system, your elder brother and sister, due to presence of Ketu in your 11th house. But when Venus will join Ketu into your 11th house, you may feel some type of relief regarding your expenses, losses, and all 11th house related matters. Mars controls your 6th house and your first house. Means Mars is your ascendant lord. Mars is very important planet for you people. And right now Mars is transiting from your 7th house along with Jupiter. So we can expect you may face some type of difficulties regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your business partnership related matter, due to presence of sixth house lord, due to presence of sixth house lord, due to presence of sixth house lord into your 7th house in the house of marriage, in the house of relationships. But due to presence of Jupiter along with Mars, you will have stable result. Things will no go too far due to presence of Jupiter into your 7th house. But still, you need to be take care of your conflict with your spouse, relationship, business partnership related matter. Mars also expecting your first house means your ascendant is right now in a strong position, especially till 27th of August, till Mars is moving to your 7th house. After 27th of August, your ascendant lord will be transiting from your 8th house, and 6th house lord is also transiting from your 8th house. Then you may face some type of difficulties regarding your health related matter, regarding your image into your society, regarding your in-laws related matter due to presence of your ascendant lord into your 8th house, and which is also controls your 8th house, 6th house, house of conflicts, house of diseases, house of litigation, argument, etc., etc. So we can expect these results for all the Scorpios and people from 14th of August till 14th of September. Now let's talk about Sagittarius ascendant. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Sun controls your 9th house, and Sun is right now moving to your 8th house in the sign of Cancer. Sun is about to move into your 9th house, means in its own sign, in its own house after 16th of August, and will stay into your 9th house till 16th or 15th of September. Ninth house deal with your higher education, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your lawyers, your second marriage, your long distance travel, your religious matter, religious inclination is seen from ninth house, rules and regulation, and obeying the rules and regulations also seen from ninth house. So your ninth house will be in a strong position during this time period. So we can expect you will have great result if you are doing some higher education. Your luck will be supporting you during this time period, whatever you are doing, because your ninth house is also dealing with your luck. Your fortune is seen from ninth house. Your teacher, your mentors will be very supportive, and you may acquire some good achievement in your career during this time period due to presence of your ninth house lord into your ninth house. You may encounter some short distance travel as well within a country due to your third house being also in a strong position due to presence of Saturn in great motion. And when your ninth house lord will aspecting from your ninth house to your third house, there will be a chances you may also encounter some sort of short distance travel within a country travel during this time period regarding the work related matter or whatever, etc., etc. Mercury controls your seventh house and your 10th house, and also moving in its retrograde motion into your ninth house, as we discussed previously in last prediction video. And Mercury will be in its retrograde motion till 29th of August. After 29th of August, Mercury will come back to its direct motion and will again move to your ninth house on 5th of September. Means till 29th of August, Mercury will be in its retrograde motion. So your 10th house and 7th house lord will be moving in its retrograde motion till 29th of August. You need to be take care of your communication related matter, because Mercury will be moving too close to front during this time period. Also will be in its retrograde motion. There are chances you may face some conflicts, argument, fights, and difficulties with your teachers, mentor, your education related matter. There are chances you also indulge into some bad religious activities. So you need to avoid these things during this time period, especially till 29th of August. After 29th of August, when Mercury will move from your uh, after 29th of August, when Mercury will come back to its direct motion, then we can say you will face some type of relief regarding your work related matter, because Mercury controls your 10th house and your relationships, marriage related matter as well. Venus controls your 11th house and your 6th house, is also transiting from your 9th house in the sign of Leo. Will stay into your 9th house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will move from your 9th house to 10th house in the sign of Virgo. Sixth house it with your court case, litigation, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine, your conflict, etc., etc. 11th house will be the gains, your incoming gains is seen from 11th house, your friend circle, your professional circle, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house, etc. etc. So your 6th house and 11th house lord is starting from your 9th house till 25th of August. We can expect great result regarding your court case, litigation, argument, fights, related matter if you are dealing with some of these type of issues in your life. Due to presence of Jupiter into your 6th house, and 6th house lord is transiting in the house of fortune, in the house of luck. Also controlling your house of gains. So we can also say you will come out having a gains from your litigation, argument, court case, etc. etc. After 25th of August, when your 6th house lord and 11th house lord is transiting from your 9th house to 10th house, where Ketu is already moving, then you will also have some support regarding your work related matter, because Ketu may create some type of disturbance at your workplace, since Ketu is moving into your 10th house, as we discussed previously in the Ketu transit video. But when Venus, your 6th house and 11th house lord, join Ketu into your 10th house, we can say you will have some type of relief from the difficulties which you are facing. Mars controls your 5th house and your 12th house, and also transiting from your 6th house. Mars, which controls your 5th house and your 12th house, and right now transiting from your 6th house. And Mars will stay into your 6th house till 27th of August. After 27th of August, Mars will also move from your 6th house to your 7th house in the sign of Gemini. So till Mars is moving to your 6th house, your 12th house will be in a strong position, because Mars will aspect from your 6th house to its own house, your 12th house. You will able to pay your loans back if you are in debt right now. Also, Jupiter is transiting along with Mars into your 6th house. Jupiter also aspecting to your 12th house. This position will make you pay your loans back during this time period if you are in debt right now. Also, this position will help you support into your court case, litigation, argument, fights if you're dealing with some of these kind of issues in your life. Or this will also help into your work related matter when Venus will move from your 9th house to 10th house, as we discussed previously. So we can expect these results for all the Sagittarius and people for all the Sagittarius and people from 14th of August till 14th of September. Now let's talk about Capricorn ascendant. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house, and Sun is right now moving into your 7th house in the sign of Cancer. Sun is about to move from your 7th house to 8th house on around 15th to 16th of August, and will stay into your 8th house till 15th to 16th of September. 8th house will with your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house. Your major transformation in life is seen from 8th house. Sudden positive events, sudden negative events is also seen from 8th house. Chronic diseases, your in-laws, your your secret sexual organs, sexual relationship, extramarital affairs. All of these things are seen from 8th house. So your 8th house will be in its strong position during this time period till 16th till 14th of September. So we can expect you will have great result regarding your in-laws related. If you are married right now, you will have the support during your research studies. If you are finding something like you are in higher education, post-graduate and you are in research studies, then we can expect great result for your people. Also, if you are into deep hidden sciences, then we can expect you will have the good result, and you will be able to find out things easily during this time period. You will have the support of divine during this time period regarding your 8th house related matter. Your sudden events will be protected during this time period, especially sudden negative events will be protected. Mercury is right now transiting from your 8th house, and Mercury controls your 6th house, and your Mercury is right now transiting from your 8th house, and Mercury controls your 6th house and your 9th house. Mercury is right now moving in its great motion, as we discussed previously in last month prediction video, and Mercury will be staying in its great motion till 29th of August. After 29th of August, Mercury will come back to its direct motion in the sign of Cancer and will again come back to your 8th house on 5th of September. So till 29th of August, your 6th house lord and 9th house lord will be in retrograde motion. Also, Ketu is moving to your 9th house in the house of Mercury. You may face some type of difficulty, conspiracy if you're dealing with some court case, litigation, argument into your life and regarding your in-laws related matter. So you need to be take care of your communication related matter, especially when Sun will be moving too close to Mercury during this time period and moving to your 8th house, and Mercury will be in its retrograde motion, especially till 29th of August. After 29th of August, Mercury will move from your 8th house to your 9th house in the sign of Virgo, where Ketu is already moving. Then we can say you will have some type of relief regarding disturbance of your 9th house, like your studies, like your higher education, like your religious matter, religious inclination. Venus controls your 10th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is also transiting from your 8th house. Uh, and Venus will stay into your 8th house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Virgo, where Ketu is already moving. So, 5th house deal with your children, so love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are. Thrown in life is also seen from 5th house. 10th house will be your work environment, how good you are in your work, how much authority you will have in your life, how much fame you will have in your life is also seen from 10th house. How much power you will have in your life is also seen from 10th house. So your 10th house and 5th house lord is transiting from your 8th house. If you have any sincere love relationship, girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, then we can expect great result regarding all of this matter. You will spend quality time with your loved ones during this time period till Venus is transiting from your 8th house. 10th house lord is also transiting from your 8th house. This situation is creating some type of ups and downs at your workplace due to Mercury being placed in its retrograde motion and Venus is moving to your 8th house till 25th of August. So till 25th of August, you need to be take care at your workplace. After 25th of August, when Venus will move from your 8th house to your 9th house, then Jupiter is also aspecting your 9th house, Ketu and Venus, and 10th house also controls by Venus. You will have a great result regarding your work life, but and you will have relief regarding ups and downs which you are facing when Venus will be transiting from your 8th house. Then you will have some type of good result. You will have a stable result regarding your love relationship, education related matter, and your work related matter. Mars controls your 4th house and your 11th house. Mars is also transiting from your 5th house along with Jupiter in the sign of Taurus. Mars will stay into your Mars will stay into your 5th house till 27th of August. After 27th of August, Mars will move from your 5th house to 6th house in the sign of Gemini. Fourth house will be your home, your property, your vehicles, comfort. Your homeland is also seen from 4th house. Your emotions, your birthplace is also seen from 4th house. How much conveniences you will have in your life is also seen from 4th house. 11th house will be your gains, friend circle, professional circle, hopes and wishes, and fulfillment hopes and wishes. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So your 11th house and your 11th house and 4th house lord is transiting from your 5th house. So till 27th of August, till Mars is moving in the sign, till Mars is moving in your 5th house. Mars is also aspecting from your 5th house to its own house, means your 11th house. So your 11th house is right now in a strong position. You will have great result as we discussed previously in Venus section, because Jupiter is moving in the sign of Venus into your 5th house and Mars house of gains is also moving into your 5th house. That's why we were saying you will have great result regarding your love relationship, girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, and your education related matter as well. 4th house lord is moving second places away from itself. That's why we can also expect a good result regarding comfort, regarding your home properties, vehicles related matter during this time period. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn ascendant people from 14th of August till 14th of September. Let's talk about Aquarius ascendant. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Sun controls your 7th house, and right now Sun is moving into your 6th house in the sign of Cancer. Sun is about to move from your 6th house to 7th house around 15th to 16th of August and will stay into your 7th house till 15th to 16th of September. 7th house will be your relationship, your legal bindings, your commitment to a spouse is seen from 7th house, your business partnership, your agreement things is seen from 7th house. How you will meet others and how others perceive you is also seen from 7th house. So your 7th house will be in a strong position till 14th of August and 14th of September. We can expect good result regarding your relationships, regarding your marriage related matter. If you're married right now, also you will have great result regarding your business partnership related matter. If you are some public figure, then we can also expect there is an increase of fame due to your good work during this time period, due to presence of Sun in its own sign in the house of Sun in its own house in the sign of Leo in your 7th house, and Jupiter and Mars is present to your 4th house, and also Saturn is present in its own sign in your ascendant. That's why you will have great result that's why you will have great result regarding your fame, your work, your opportunity that your work related matter. Mercury controls your 8th house and your 5th house. It's transiting from your 7th house, and Mercury is also in its retrograde motion during this time period, as we discussed previously in last month prediction videos. Mercury will stay in its retrograde motion till 29th of August. After 29th of August, Mercury will come back to its direct motion into your 6th house in the sign of Cancer, and will again come back to your 7th house on 5th of September. So till 29th of August, Mercury will be moving in its retrograde motion. So you need to take care of your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance matter. Also, if you are in early education, little college level education, you also need to avoid diverting your concentration on your study during this time period. Your 8th house Lord Mercury is also transiting from your 7th house and also in its retrograde motion till 29th of September. So you also avoid conflicts with your spouse, your business partnership during this time period. There are chances you may face some type of difficulties, conflicts, argument till Mercury will be in its retrograde motion. After Mercury turn back to its direct motion, then we can expect some relief regarding all of these matters. Venus controls your 4th house and your 9th house, and right now transiting from your 7th house in the sign of Leo. Venus will stay into your 7th house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will transit from your 7th house to 8th house in the sign of Virgo, where Ketu is already moving. Fourth house will be your properties, your vehicles, comfort, your happiness means your emotions is also seen from 4th house, your mother's relationship, your homeland, your property, your birthplace, etc. is also seen from 4th house. Ninth house will be your higher education, your post-graduate education is seen from 9th house, your long distance travel, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your fortune, how lucky you are is also seen from 9th house. So your 4th house and 9th house Lord is transiting from your 7th house till 25th of August. We can expect you will have great result regarding your comfort related matter, and you will still spend some quality time with your spouse. But being Mercury present in its retrograde motion, you need to take care of your conflict with your spouse also till 29th of August. Being Venus present into your 7th house, also Jupiter is moving to the house of Venus. That's why we can say you will have good result till 25th of August. After 25th of August, when Venus will move from your 7th house to 8th house, then Ketu is already transiting from your 8th house. Then you will have some relief regarding the negativity of Ketu into your 8th house. till Venus will be transiting from your 8th house, because Venus also controls your 9th house. Mars is your third house lord and also controls your 10th house and transiting from your fourth house. Third house deal with your efforts, your hands skill, your communication. Communication skills are also seen from third house. Your quick ideas, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends is also seen from third house. Your courage is also seen from third house. Tenth house deal with your work environment, how good you are in your work, how much authority you will have, how far you can go in your career, etc., etc. All of these things seen from 10th house. So your third house and 10th house lord is transiting from your fourth house, and Mars will stay into your fourth house till 27th of August. So till 27th of August, we can expect you will have great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your properties, vehicles related matter. Also, you will put a lot of effort and you will be very passionate regarding your work related matter, and you will also get the revenue of that effort. After 25th, after 27th of August, when Mars, your third house lord, will be transiting from 27th of August, when your third house lord and 10th house lord, Mars will be transiting from your fourth house to fifth house. Then you will also have the great opportunities regarding your education related matter. If you're in education life, also this Mars will support you into your love relationship. Your mental abilities will be enhanced, and you will also be able to achieve something from your education and mental abilities due to aspects of Mars from your fifth house to your 11th house of gains. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius ascendant people from 14th of August till 14th of September. In the last, now let's talk about Pisces ascendant. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Sun controls your sixth house, and Sun is right now transiting from your fifth house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will about to move from your Sun is about to move from your fifth house to sixth house around 15th to 16th of August, and will stay into your sixth house till 15th to 16th of September. Sixth house deal with your court case, litigation, your arguments, your fights, your daily routine, etc., etc. So your sixth house will be in a strong position during this time period. So if you are facing some type of court case, litigation, competition, either you are giving some competitive exams or you are in debt right now, you will be able to pay your loans back. You will have great strength. Your health will be very good during this time period due to presence of sixth house lord in your sixth house. Mercury controls your fourth house and your seventh house, and right now Mercury is starting from your sixth house, and Mercury also needs to create motion till 29th of August, as we discussed previously in last one prediction video. So till 29th of August, you need to be take care of your communication related matter, especially when you're dealing with your spouse and home members. There are chances you may face some type of conflicts, but after 29th of August, when Mercury will come back to its direct motion and come to your sixth house again, where Sun will be also transiting, then we can expect you will have the great strength to withstand all the difficulties into your life due to presence of Ketu into your seventh house, and seventh house lord will be transiting from your sixth house of conflicts. But once Mercury will come back to its direct motion, you will have relief all the difficulty which you are facing. Venus controls your third house and your eighth house, and right now Venus is also transiting from your sixth house. And Venus will stay into your sixth house till 25th of August. After 25th of August, Venus will move from your sixth house to seventh house in the sign of Virgo. Your eighth house lord is transiting from your sixth house, and one naturally malefic house lord is transiting from another naturally malefic house. You will have some type of difficulty, but suddenly you will have the great result, and you will things will turn into your favor. You will have the great opportunities regarding all the court litigation, argument, competition, whatever you are dealing into your life. Your second house lord, your third house lord is also transiting from your sixth house. So you will also have the courage and hardworking ability to withstand all the difficulties in your life during this time. You will overcome all the difficulties, your enemies, easily during this time period. After 25th of August, when Venus, your third house lord and eighth house lord, will be transiting from your sixth house to seventh house, where Ketu is already moving, then Jupiter also have the aspect of uh, uh, and Jupiter also have the aspect to your seventh house Ketu and Venus. When Venus will move from the sixth house to seventh house, then we can expect you will have some relief regarding disturbance of your seventh house Ketu, which you are facing after 30th October 2023. Mars controls your second house and your ninth house, and right now Mars is also transiting along with Jupiter into your third house, and Mars will stay into your third house till 27th of August. So till 27th of August, Mars is moving into your third house and also aspecting from your third house to its own house, means your ninth house, along with Jupiter. So you will have great result regarding your higher education, your post-graduate education related matter if you are in education right now. Also, fortune will be into your favor during this time period. Whatever you are doing, you will have the opportunity to travel somewhere. If you want to travel somewhere, your religious inclination, religious activities will be very enhanced during this time period as well. Your second house lord is also transiting second places away from itself, so there will be a good influx of money. You will able to save a lot of money. You will have great opportunities regarding your savings related matter as well. After 27th of August, when Mars will move from your third house to your fourth house, then you will also able to put a lot of effort into your work, and you will have the great opportunities regarding your property, vehicles, comfort related matter, and regarding your mother's related matter as well. So we can expect these results for all the Pisces and people from 14th of August till 14th of September. Our today's video monthly prediction of August 2024 from 14th August till 14th of September 2024 ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.